Good morning everybody and welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you are new here, and welcome to today's video, which is a travel diary. We are currently at Ulladulla in New South Wales and we're going to be traveling down to Batemans Bay specifically to stay tonight, but thought I'd bring you guys along on the adventures. If you saw my vacation prep and pack with me, that was my last video. I'll have it linked down in the description box below if you missed it. I lost a nail. That's fine, that's not what holiday is about anyway. So subscribe if you're not already and join our little community and come on holiday with me.
Night turn into morning dew, then you feel it freshen and lose control. You don't wanna go slow.
See you in time. That's okay.
Already know your place is my place. No, my place is your place. Let's face it, baby. You know all the places. My place is your place. My place, your place is my place. Just face it. No one knows my places like you do. Your places like I do. My place like you do. Baby, don't stop. Got the key to the lock. We in our own zone. Make yourself at home. Get to know mine on the inside.
We just came down this lookout area. I put Woody in the water and she instantly threw up on me.
Already know your place is my place. Now my place is your place. Let's face it, baby. You know all the places. My place is your place. Your place is my place. Just face it. No one knows my places like you do. Your places like I do. My place like you do.
I was just going for a walk up here and I found this fire pit I want to show Dylan, so I'm going to bring you guys.
It's a blade.
I'm sorry, but this place just keeps getting better and better. But how cool is that, sister? Sorry if the camera's not stable, there's so much wind, but we are just having the best time. And then, woo! How cute is she? Where the night takes us. So I'll bring you guys with us. I want to get some food soon and a coffee. And I may have gotten into a little spat with Dylan earlier over getting breakfast and stuff. So I don't want to be the first one to bring up getting food, but I really want to go get food. I'm so hungry. Thank you, Daddy, for bringing us on holiday. Yeah, we'll get some lunch first. Let me see your shoulders. Does anybody else just drive around and house shop at houses they'll never be able to afford? Dylan needs to buy a lottery ticket if his phone and wallet are here, because we were about to leave Ulladulla, and we are going to stay for the night. We're going to go to Batemans Bay, which is 45 minutes away. And Dylan was like, no, we'll get some food before we go. And so we drove a couple minutes up the road to realise that when Dylan went to get out to pay for the food, that he didn't have his phone or wallet. So we've left it at the place we were staying at.
There's my
Right
phone.
there. And I have just found Dylan's wallet.
Hello, how'd you do?
Like, was it absolutely necessary for you to spray paint on the ground?
Hope you're fine and got time to do everything you said you would. Frames of the past and the memory of you just come running by.
Good morning, everybody, and welcome to day 2 of our holiday, which we're actually cutting it short. We've woken up after a really bad night's sleep and we're kind of just missing home. I wanted to show you guys though, because I had a really bad fall. We were just packing up the car and I want to show you guys this. Of course I was going to fall. Look at these grip bits that are coming off, and the second one doesn't even have one. Can't even see it. That's my elbow, and my tailbone is swelling as time goes on, and it's like all tingly. So, can you see mummy's elbow? Be sore. We've got to be careful, it's wet outside, we could fall. If you guys saw from my, what was it, vacation prep and pack with me, this is the line from Macca's that we waited in for 50 minutes, and I'm not over exaggerating. 50 minutes, right?
50 minutes.
Anyway, Dylan delivering the goods. And just like that, we are home. I found the trip so much quicker. Obviously it was because Batemans Bay to home is faster than home to Ulladulla, which was our first trip location, but my back. Did you have a good time on holiday? What was your favorite part? You liked the beach the best? We can go back to the beach soon. In fact, subscribe if you're not already. Plenty more travel diaries coming along, and I just want to make this channel really fun for a while. So leave any ideas you have down in the description box below, but I really, just want to have an upbeat time for a little while because things have just been a little bit down lately and I'm feeling good besides my butt. So yeah, subscribe if you're not already, and I'll see you back here for the brand new one.